Hello! This is your English teacher, and today's everyday English conversation is going to take place at the airport, specifically at the currency exchange counter. So if you're traveling, or if you've traveled a lot, then you might be familiar with this situation. But if not, let's listen to this conversation, and then we'll talk about it. Okay, so let's listen to the conversation again. Hello, I just arrived. Can I exchange some money here? Of course! Which currency would you like to exchange? I have US dollars and I need euros. No problem. What amount would you like to exchange? I'd like to change $300. All right. The exchange rate today is 1 United States dollar equals 88 cents. After the service fee, you will receive 260 euros. Okay, that's fine. Great. May I see your passport, please? Sure. Here you go. Staff, thank you. Here are your euros and the receipt. Traveler, perfect. Thanks for your help. You're welcome. Enjoy your stay. Okay, so before we get started, I just want to make sure that you understand the difference between two very similar phrases. We have change and exchange. To change means to give a customer a different kind of money for their US dollars. For example, and an exchange is the process of getting a different kind of money. Okay? So these are two different things. To change is a verb. An exchange is a noun. All right, let's get started. The first phrase is I just arrived, which means I have just arrived at the airport. We use just in this way to connect the actions together to show that one action immediately follows another. In this case, arriving at the airport immediately, followed by wanting to exchange some money. So, I just arrived and I want to exchange some money. It's a common thing to say. When you first get to the airport, the next thing the traveler says is, "Can I exchange some money here?" This is asking a question about whether it's possible to exchange money at this location. And he uses the word some because he doesn't know how much money he wants to exchange yet. He hasn't decided. He's just arrived and he's asking if it's possible. So, can I exchange some money here? After the staff member confirms that it is possible, the traveler asks, which currency would you like to exchange? And this is when the traveler tells the staff member what currency he has and what currency he needs. I have US dollars and I need euros. So I have is saying what the traveler has, his starting currency. And I need is saying what he requires or what he needs, which is euros. And if you don't know the word euros, remember it's the currency of Europe. Next, the traveler says, I'd like to change $300. So remember to change is a verb. So he's saying, I would like to change to give away $300. So now the staff member knows what currency he has and what currency he needs and also how much. And now the staff member starts explaining the details of the exchange. All right. The exchange rate today is 1 United States dollar equals 88 cents. So this is the exchange rate for today. 1 US dollar is equal to 0.88 euros. And after the service fee, you will receive 260 euros. So this is the total amount that he will get after they take their service fee. And then the traveler says, okay, that's fine. That means he agrees to the exchange. He agrees with the amount, and then the staff member asks for his passport. May I see your passport, please? The traveler, of course, gives the staff member his passport, and then the staff member gives him the euros and the receipt. And finally, the traveler says, perfect. Thanks for your help. He's thanking the staff member for helping him exchange his money, and the staff member replies, you're welcome. Enjoy your stay. So he's wishing the traveler a pleasant stay in Europe. Okay, so that's our conversation. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.